happened to your foot?
I just came unclipped, you know. The struggle. Yeah, that's my foot. Or my pedal probably, but yeah. Woo! Party.
Woo!
What's going on, guys? Man, how about that video to start things off today? First and foremost, you might be wondering, wow, this is a huge production, especially in comparison to the type of content that I'm usually posting. Well, we've got something to celebrate today. For those of you that have been sticking around on the channel for a long time, you may have realized it's the 1-year anniversary of Global Trail Guide. I want to give all of you a huge thank you. I really appreciate you guys so much for constantly tuning in and watching everything that we've got in store for you here on the channel. It's been awesome. And then next thing, I have to give a massive shout out to my great friend Mike that put together that whole production that you just saw. He is amazing. He's an awesome filmmaker, photographer. He does it all. I put a link to his Instagram down in the description below. Starting a YouTube channel was always something that I had in the back of my mind, and I actually had my own personal private channel that I occasionally put footage out on, but I never really took it too seriously. And obviously with Global Trail Guide, I told myself I want to step it up a notch and I want to try to post weekly videos. So every single week I've been getting out there, and it's been such an amazing experience. I've loved every moment of it, from the local trails here in Vicenza, like Red Bull, Rampage, Auto Velox, my favorite, the one closest to my house, Rocks and Trees. They all are incredible. Everything out in Colleugani and Padua with Blue Line, Rave, so many fun trails in this local area in northern Italy, just 45 minutes away from Venice. There's so much available right here. And then, man, once we got to the summer and all the bike parks opened up, oh, the riding at the bike parks here, absolutely insane. From smaller parks closer to Vicenza, like La Verone, to San Martino, and then of course, Paganella. You cannot leave out Paganella Bike Park. I think that's probably the best bike park that I've ever been to before. And obviously it was a journey. We had a couple races this year too. We did the Crivapette Enduro race, and then I went and raced EWS in Zermatt with EWS 100, an absolute dream of mine. I was so happy to be able to take in that opportunity. And then also we finished out the racing season with Kronplatz, and that was a gnarly bike park as well. So be sure to stay tuned throughout this winter. I'm going to have all sorts of content coming your way still with mountain biking. And for those of you that are OGs on the channel, you may also be asking, hey, you've got skiing in your intro and you skied in the winter last season. What are we going to be doing this season? Are you going skiing? Well, with coronavirus and everything else, it's hard to say if we're going to be able to ski in Italy. I'm going to do everything that I can. However, regardless, I'm launching a new channel. So we're going to have Global Trail Guide Ski, and this Global Trail Guide channel is going to be specific just for mountain biking. I want to make sure that it stays focused on the awesome content that I've been putting out over this past year, and all skiing content is going to be Global Trail Guide Ski. So be sure to go subscribe to that channel. I'll put a link in the description below, and on Instagram, I'll still be putting out content in both types. In addition to that, I have one last awesome announcement to make, something I'm super stoked about. I officially created a website and launched it, so be sure to go check it out. As you guessed, it's called globaltrailguide.com, and you can go type it into your browser right now. It's going to pop up and put some photos up there from the photography that I've been working on, as well as riding locations and some skiing locations. So please feel free, go check that out. As you may have realized, today we're riding at Red Bull, and there's a special reason why we're riding at Red Bull. You may remember that this is the first video that I ever put out, and I made a huge mistake. I called it the wrong trail. I was new to living in Vicenza, and I accidentally got the trail names mixed up in my head, Red Bull and Rampage, and whoops, it happens. So today we're riding Red Bull. That's the name of the trail. It's awesome. You already saw some amazing footage of this trail. I've got the GoPro with me, so let's go drop into the trail and have some fun. All right, let's get it. Forgot to mention, there's a lot of hikers on the trail today, so gotta keep an eye out for that.
Do you notice anything different about the footage? No? I'll give you a second. Perhaps incredibly smooth stabilization? Yeah, that's it. Picked up a new GoPro, super pumped about it. It's the GoPro Max, their 360 camera, but you can also use it in a traditional standard camera format. And as you can see, the stabilization is unreal. I'm loving this thing and having so much fun with it. Anyways, we'll get back into riding.
Ciao, grazie. It's been a bit since I rode this trail. Ooh. Ciao. Oh, we're gonna finish things out with the rock garden today. I'm parked at the midpoint here on Red Bull because of all the filming that we were doing. As you can see, definitely a lot of hikers on the trail, the most we've ever seen on Red Bull. But anyways, it's super fun nonetheless. Just got to look out for those hikers. And what a day. Again, so much thanks to Mike. He really crushed it with all the filming that he did and putting that video together for me. It's unreal. The dude is so talented, and all of us, we just had such a blast filming today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We got a whole lot more content coming your way, and tell me where to ride next.